how to receive same calls on two iPhones at the same time. So if you want to receive same calls on two iPhones at the same time, then what you need to do is first, you need to have same Wi-Fi or the network connection in both the iPhones, and make sure that you're logged in to the same Apple account on both iPhones. Once you've connected to the same Wi-Fi network and same Apple account, the next thing you need to do is open up your settings on both of the devices. After opening the settings, you can scroll down. After that, go with apps. Under apps, you can go with the call or the phone section. Tap on phone. Under phone, you can scroll down, and here you will have an option of calls on another device. Under your calls section, which is right here, you will have an option of calls on another device. So you just need to simply tap on the option and you can turn on the option. And after turning on the option of calls on another device on both the devices, then you'll receive same calls on two iPhones at the same time. So in my case, I don't have my account logged in on any other device, but if you have, then you will have an option of calls on another device. So you just need to simply tap on it, turn it on, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.